Behind me you can see the forklifts we use for fabricating structural steel. The silver forklift is a traditional counterbalance forklift which is great for offloading and loading steel, whereas behind me is a combilift. The beauty of a combilift is that it drives both in this direction and also in that direction, and it does so by rotating the wheels by 90 degrees. So if we want to have fine movements forwards and backwards, we can move the whole forklift this way, and then just by adjusting the wheels we can also maneuver the long way, which is especially important when we are moving heavy and long stock items.